First of all, I will give a brief information about migration. Migration is a cyclic movement. Cycling means like in a particular month, means December to Feb, okay, November to March. It means like it is a cyclic. Every year they start moving. It is a cyclic movement, okay, in search of food, okay, and reproduce. And the birds migrate from, means the area which has very, the polar area in there where is lots and lots of snow, to the warmer area. There is a winter, but not as compared to this area, okay, not compared to this area. There is a lots and lots of snow everywhere. They cannot get food, okay, so they migrate. The process through which they move in a cyclic period in search of food and to reproduce is known as migration. Now read this line. We will read this line now. Some birds live in a very cold place. Very cold place means where there is a snowfall during the time of winter or during the month of December, January, Feb. They are unable to survive in these cold places when there is extremely cold. They are unable to survive. Unable to survive because there is less food available. They cannot get sufficient amount of food and extreme cold. Due to extreme cold, they cannot survive there. They cannot reproduce there. Reproduce means they cannot give birth to their young ones in their place, in these places where it is extremely cold. So they fly to warmer places to reproduce and to get food. So they fly to warmer places means warm places, means like not where there is no snowfall. So they move to that places. Okay, for example, winter also exists in Ranchi, but there is no snowfall. So some migratory birds fly from Siberia to India. Warm place to reproduce and to get food easily. Many such birds come to India from Siberia. So they migrate from Siberia to India. These birds go back to their subpolar homes, means during the time of summer they go back to their home, means during the after the time of March, April, May, June. So they go back to their home when winter is over. There they do this every year, and this regular trips means the regular interval of time is known as migration. So migration is a cyclic movement in a regular movement, okay, means during the particular month when there is a snowfall in that places, so they migrate from that place to another place. So this is known as migration.